G'day guys, it's Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and today I am bringing you another case study. This one is of lightning bolt electrical and plumbing on the northern beaches of Sydney, and Rob and I actually connected at BNI a long time ago, and we recently reconnected. He saw me presenting at an event in Sydney, and as a result we had a discussion around some of the direction he'd like to take his business and his website, and how he can sort of generate a bit more traffic and just convert a little bit better. He didn't actually have control over the website in the sense that it was hard for him to make content changes, hard for him to update certain things. So looking forward, when we're sort of moving towards that space of really getting fresh new content on your website, optimizing content for search engines and all that kind of stuff, he needed a platform that was going to enable him to scale. And so you can see here, this is a site that he had built a few years ago, and it's really not that great. The layout's a bit ordinary. The navigation's terrible. Like the guys that built it, they really didn't know. I don't think they really had a clue about the industry. None of the pages have been optimized very well for SEO. And just the layout itself is a bit clunky. And as we get a bit lower, it's really text heavy, and the keywords they've used are just ridiculous. So they've really made a bit of a mess out of this. What was it? Yeah, anyway. We basically wanted to rebuild the site, which achieving a couple of things. First of all, we wanted to look professional and represent the caliber of the organisation that he runs. Second of all, we wanted to make sure that it was easy for him to update, easy for him to amend, get changes happening, all that kind of thing on his website. And so this is what the new one looks like. As you can see here is a nice, first of all, above the fold is very clear. You can see there's quite a clear message there. There's no confusion. It's got all the click-to-call, conversion factors and all that kind of stuff. So if you're on a mobile phone or if you're on a desktop, you can push that button and you'll be able to it'll call. We've cleared up the navigation significantly. You can see here, this is nice and clear now. There's no confusion. In the About Us, there's a nice little Meet the Team section, which runs through. It's got little profiles on the staff, which is kind of cool. So if you're sending someone out to a job, the client can sort of jump on the website and get who's coming out to their place. Just makes them feel a bit safer sometimes. You can see there. The services, we've cleaned all them up, and you've seen we've actually laid out all the services on their own unique pages, and we've optimized them all for the search engines. So he's got a chance now of showing up in search queries, which is a big advantage. There's a project gallery there, so we can highlight some of the work that he's done. Obviously the contact page and all that kind of thing. It's a far nicer looking site. It's beautifully laid out. It navigates well. It's easy to comprehend. Nice images. Credit to Rob as well for getting these images. They look fantastic. So that always helps. That is actually a conversion factor, guys. If you do have a good photo of your team, it does build credibility. As we scroll down there, there's a bit of information about the company, some more photos, some more information, and like a way for the customers to opt in. And look, all in all, it's a really good looking site. So if you're in a similar situation yourself, folks, reach out to us, tradiewebguys.com.au. We can do a very similar thing for you guys. We do this day in, day out for trade business owners all over the place. So come look us up. See ya.